Yes, sir. It's your boy Hayes. We're back with another one. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. If not, you already know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. We're going to go over the day, go over the news, share our opinion on the overall market sentiment going into tomorrow. Also, share the hot plays for tomorrow that you should have your eyes and attention on for those 300, 400, 500% type of days. Because tomorrow will be treated like a Thursday, and then Friday we come back because Thursday the market will actually be closed. So Thursday and Fridays are those hot days for the past few months of the market. Just like on last Thursday, the market went crazy. Last Friday, the market went crazy. What I had told you guys ahead of time that it was the swings of the SPY that we called out last night. I told you guys to watch Meta. I already seen ahead of time, seen the way it's moving, trading compared to how it was trading previously. That it's time to run. That it ain't been hit hard enough. Now it's straight up from here. So obviously, if you ain't using your brain cell, you're gonna just buy at any moment at its highest point, and then when it drop, you're gonna sell for a loss, and you ain't gonna make money. How much money you supposed to make on the way back up? But anyways, it ended up doing exactly what I expected to do. Told you guys Meta would end around 635 today. Go look at the price. That's where we at, right? And after hours, it climbed a little higher. Also seen a continuation with that. So I got calls to swing, which I don't like swinging no more. I'm not into that. I want to come to the market every day with a clean slate. That's the best, in my opinion, on how you can see real growth, because you ain't really caught up in the yesterday. So if you swing a play, and especially if you swinging too much, thousands of dollars, now the next day you wake up, you down $1,000, $2,000. You trying to make that back. So mentally, you not even sharp as you would be if you came with a clean slate. You know what I'm saying? Now that you trying to get back, you forcing stuff and doing plays that you ain't. You know what I'm saying? Enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into it. So right here we got the Dow closes up more than 650 points, posting a 3-day winning streak as hopes for December rate cuts grow. Dow SPY's been going crazy swings, choppiness. Y'all seen the spike up today, spike down hard, spike right back up to rip even higher. Insane movement. And it's not just today, last week on Friday, Thursday, day before, market has been crazy. That's why I say you got to be careful. Ain't small, miss small is the way. So going to tomorrow, we'll be watching Meta. Like I said, this will continue, in my opinion. What you want to see, Hayes? I want to see Meta hold up at 635, 636. Previous resistance, I want to see Meta treat that as a form of support. It hold up 635, 636. Good. This thing is going to continue to go a lot higher. Next target 666. I'm not saying that's going to hit it tomorrow. Obviously, next target from here going to tomorrow, if it hold these levels, will be around 655, but possibly even the 660s, depending on how well the market do, how much of a push we see, how volatile the market is. For the downside, like I said, if it break below 635, 636, the same level I want to see it hold above, use common sense. If I don't mention it, but I will this time, that's just common sense. If it break below that level, it's obviously going to go right back down and tank and lose that whole $23, $30 at the game today. So SPY 676. What I tell you guys, if it stayed above the key level from yesterday's video, that SPY was going up to retest these levels, guys. And going to tomorrow, if it hold 675 ish, this thing is going up to 680s without a doubt. Definitely to hold up 675. Also, Coinbase, I got this on my radar. I rinse and repeat Coinbase today in and out. It's definitely being hit hard. You want to see Bitcoin start to recover though as well, because of Bitcoin, it can go down lower. Like we know, guys, in the mix of it going down lower, spikes is going to come. So even though I expect Bitcoin to go lower before it actually, make a huge reversal and go back to its highs, I still believe in the meantime, between time, it could still spike up $3, $4, $5, $6,000. That's going to cause Coinbase to have a significant jump, maybe about $30, $40. So going to tomorrow, I will be watching Coinbase as well. Key levels, I want to see a breakthrough. On tomorrow is 260. You need to break through that 260 barrier. What you need to hold above is that 254, 255. Just to keep that bullish continuation. And on Coinbase, my bad, 257. I want to see it break through 257, break 257. This thing can go to 266 quick, nearly 270. So you want to be on the lookout for this one. If it break below 254, 255, it could possibly pull back down, especially if Bitcoin not holding up. It's looking like it want to trend down. Some other ones I'll be looking at for bonuses is him and hers. Like I said, this one of the ones that it don't take much. A small investment can turn into a lot if this have the right move on it. This is, nearly half from where it was just a couple months ago. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this. It loves to, take off and run. The charts ain't gonna really get into that. It's just common sense. The market, overall market and the bullish sentiment, a lot of stocks up, green, you know what I'm saying? This would be one of the ones that surpass a lot of other stocks. If the market is in that easy sentiment to where, okay, the whole market is nearly up, except for AI stocks. Because if you notice, paying attention, AI is trading different from the overall market. You'll be like, dang, let me hurry up and load up on Palantir and AMD because Meta and such up. See, you got to learn from that, man. Just because Meta up, that don't mean the market got to be up. That don't mean everything up. That don't mean AI got to be up. You feel me? So they'll try to get you like that. And that's what's going on today. If you peep, Meta was up by other stocks and things was going left. You like, huh? Then you'll try to short Meta at that point because you peep what's going on. And that's what push it even higher. Like, nope, you wrong. So you got to pay attention. Also, I'll be watching Oracle, Tesla as well. Also, AMD. AMD is at a key level. So if AMD break below 203, this thing can collapse and collapse hard. It need to hold above 203, 204. The market and bullish sentiment and AI stocks start to recover. This thing is going to push back up very aggressively. So you definitely want to keep this on your radar as well. But watch for, like I said, this could be opposite. Market could be up, other certain stocks up, AI stocks crashing. So below 203 puts AMD. Above it, I ain't even really focused on calls with this because I would rather not touch. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to the word it right. I'd rather not touch things that's, it's a lot of uncertainty going on. I'd rather touch something more so like Meta, more so like the other stocks I was talking about at the beginning. This is just risky business. Like it is this big swing to the downside, big swing back to the upside. Because they have been hit pretty hard recently, but it's still is up so much that the hard hit didn't do significant damage, if that makes sense. I'm really trying to break it down so you really understand it. So only mess with AI sector if you understand the risk, you know what's going on, you understand it can be big moves, but it could go either way very hard, nigga. AMD under 203, I'm going puts. Above it, I'm not going calls because it's going to be better opportunity. I'm gonna be focused on other stocks like I just talked about at the beginning. Hope that makes sense for you. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the BH Show _ Feel free to join VIP. Go to the home page on YouTube, click join. Third tier give you all access to every single play we get in and out of. Last tier exclusive, that's going to give you access to the plays and also access to me for help, one-on-one, anything like that. I love you guys. You already know what to do. Don't forget to add your boy on Instagram at the BA Show _ I love you. We out. God bless you. We go.